Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum Assalam wa rahmatullah. Bro, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, so
Alhamdulillah.
when did you wake up today?
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalam wa rahmatullah. Yes, Citra. When did you get up today? Because today is Sunday.
I'm free now.
When did you get up in early morning or about 10 o'clock or right now? And Aiza, when did you wake up today?
दोबारा बोले when did
What? What did you say?
सर दोबारा
I said that when did you wake up? Yes, Fahmida.
तुम अब कब उठे?
Yeah, yes. You can say that I woke up
I woke up
at
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock or 7 o'clock, whatever you say. Yes. Okay, so did you eat? Did you take breakfast? All of you, Fahmida, Aiza, Ikra, didn't you eat breakfast yet?
No breakfast.
What?
सर अभी मैंने करा ही नहीं.
You did not eat breakfast yet. Okay.
जी.
So when will you eat? When will you do? When will you take breakfast? Because it's too late. If you will not eat, so it will be called dinner. Not dinner. I think it will be called lunch, not breakfast. Okay, so we were talking about yesterday about that now we have only 3 days to learn something. Inshallah, we will speak and we will try to speak in English. Okay, so
जी.
all of you with me or not?
Yes.
Yes.
We are with you.
Okay. Yes, Aisha, where is Amna? Is she busy?
She's coming.
She is coming.
It's
Okay.
calling you.
Okay, we are waiting. Okay, so tell me one thing that from which thing do you start your day in the morning? The first thing, what do you do in your daily life, in your daily routine?
So after praying and recite the Holy Quran.
No, but before praying, you also do many things.
Okay, sir. Sir, I get up early in the morning.
Yes.
Then I make ablution.
Yeah, you just say that. Yes, sir. I just go to I just go to the bathroom and I just brush my teeth. And I take
तो पूरा
shower.
बताना
Yeah.
पूरा बताना है.
Yes. It's,
Sir, I brush my teeth and I take shower. Then I make ablution and then
yes.
I after my Fajr prayer and then I recite the Holy Quran.
Very good.
After that, I take exercise.
Exercise. Which type of
Yes, sir.
exercise?
That's like walk and
Okay. Okay.
a little exercise.
How many kilometers do you walk?
Mm,
Kilometers.
kilometers है इतने भी कौन नहीं.
Okay.
Only 2 round.
Only 2 rounds of your room.
Roof
Okay. Okay.
of my roof.
Okay. Okay, and after that, will you
After
sleep?
that, yes, sir. Again, I sleep. Then I get up 10 o'clock.
Okay,
After that, I sleep and I get up 10 o'clock.
and
Then
after 10 o'clock, then you will sleep
I
again.
take, yes, sir, again, I sleep.
I think you just
Because
like to
nowadays, sir,
sleep
we are
that
free.
much.
Sir, we are celebrating our holidays. Because of
Okay,
Corona, we are
we are just stuck in home.
completing our,
Okay.
yes, sir. Then, sir, we will take our breakfast.
Don't you
And,
have any? Don't you have any work in outside? Don't you go to outside from your home to do some
sir,
to do something?
because of because of Corona, sir, I'm doing job in Jamia. But
Okay.
nowadays, there is no job.
Okay. So you can say that. So I just normally go to the Jamia after taking breakfast, after taking and after doing this and after doing this. So you can
Sir,
also just include the topic of after that. I
okay.
just go to my office. I just go to my Jamia. I just go to my school after taking this, after doing this. Okay,
Hmm.
सही है
Yes, sir.
कि मैं नाश्ता
Yes,
करके
sir.
वहाँ जाती हूँ, मैं नाश्ता करके ये करता हूँ, वो करता हूँ. So you can
Then
also
I
include the
clean
topic of two and the topic of uh,
after.
yes. Okay, now Fahmida, you just tell me what do you do? What do you do from the morning to the night in your daily routine? Don't you do anything?
I get up, I get up early in the morning.
Okay.
I go to the bathroom and take brush teeth after shower,
After taking
making
shower,
ablation. After taking shower, making ablation. I
I
take
just after taking shower, I just make ablution. Yeah. Okay.
ablation.
And
I,
after that,
after that, offering prayer.
not don't say offering prayer. Just say I
After
I
I after
yeah, I offer prayer.
after prayer.
This is present simple. Okay. Yes. And then after that, after
Recitation
offering
of the
prayer,
Holy Quran. Recitation of the Holy Quran.
recitation of the Holy Quran. Okay. That you can say that I recite the Holy Quran after offering prayer. Okay.
Offering.
Okay. Okay. After that,
Take breakfast.
okay. After that, you take breakfast. I take breakfast, and don't you feed to others?
Go to school.
Don't you feed direct? Don't you make breakfast for others? You just make for you. Don't you make breakfast for your family?
Yes.
Yes. Do you make breakfast for your family also, or not?
Yes.
Okay, good. And then where do you go?
Go to school.
Okay, to learn or to teach?
Yes.
Yes. You just go to school to teach or to learn?
Teach.
Okay, yeah. I just go to school to teach something. Just say, which subject do you teach in your school?
Math.
Mathematics.
Mhm.
Okay, very good. For which class?
Different level.
Different levels. Okay. For example, master, PhD. Okay, or 7th
Middle.
class or 8th class. Yes. Okay. Yes. And uh, after just ending the school, what will you do? What do you do after coming home?
Then so
What?
so tried and taking rest.
Okay. Just I take the rest. Okay.
I take my lunch and I then.
Yes. And where is our class? Where is English class? Aisha also did not add the English class in her daily routine, and Famila also did not tell me about English class. That I just take English class at 2
So
o'clock.
you did not ask about English class. You just
No,
ask about my.
I just asked about your daily routine from the morning to night. You just tell me about from your morning all things.
So I was talking. I just reached at 10 o'clock, and then you ask from Samida. You tell me.
Okay, okay,
I
Famida.
tell you my half routine.
Okay, so now I'm gonna ask Tayyiba. So Tayyiba, yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. Let's start. You just
Early get in
you just
morning.
you just imagine that not early morning. I'm not asking you about your daily routine because you are a special. So I'm asking you about your because you just imagine that I'm your interview lady. Okay, I'm uh, this is your tutor. This is your tutor interview. Okay, so you are just giving your interview. So okay, so I am your tutor relation officer. Okay, so I am asking you first question that what is your introduction?
First of all, I will say Assalamu alaikum. I go by
Salam.
Teva.
Okay,
The full introduction I should give.
what? Yes, Taiba.
Full introduction I should. Or you ask a question from
Yeah,
me.
you should give full introduction from
From where you are and about your studies,
about your
everything.
age first, about your name, and then about your age, and about your address. That I just live in that country and that city. Okay, and then tell
Okay,
her
sir.
all things that I just learned something from this institute, and now what are you doing in this time right now? So you have to give all things. Okay, start. Yes, let's start from the beginning now.
I go by Teva. I am 30. I am 14-year-old. I live in Aptabad city.
So she is too small.
Yeah.
I live in.
Okay, let's go on.
She's for
I'm just receiving my call. I'm a,
I
Teba, you are
didn't.
14. Teba,
Yes.
14, 14 साल की हो आप?
जी.
Wow. In which class do you read? Do you study?
Uh, I I read in 9th class. I live in Aptabad and
Okay, okay.
sir, what? बड़ी खुशी हुई है सुन के. हमसे भी छोटा कोई यहाँ है
But why you are
क्लास में.
learning? Why are you learning this?
I want to know more English. I know
Yeah.
English, but not like that. I have how sir teach us.
You just join a tutorship or not?
Yes. Yes.
Tutorship, tutorship.
yes, Assalamu alaikum. Yes.
I also joined that.
Okay, what are you talking about? Yes.
Sir, I'm taking the
So,
interview.
what were you saying, Taiba?
No, sir, she was asking question from me.
Who? Who was asking?
Sir, me. Sir, she is 14 years old, and I was shocked.
Yeah, yeah, it's a fact. She's so young.
Hmm.
Okay, and she has very mashallah. She is very talented, and she has uh, that much confidence. to speak and to learn. Okay.
Good.
Okay, so where were you, Tayyiba?
Yes, sir.
You were on your Aptabad, yeah. So you are from Aptabad,
I'm from.
and then just go on.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about more.
About my
Yes,
which?
yes. Tell me about your qualification. That are you studying something or not?
Now I am in 9th class. Now after some days again my papers will be.
Will start. Will be not. My papers will start.
My paper
Okay.
will start.
Okay. So inshallah, may Allah make it easy for you. And so did you teach the Quran or did you learn something about Quran?
Now I have learned the Quran.
Are you Hafiza?
No, no.
Okay. So can you teach the Quran properly?
Yes.
Okay. So for what skill did you apply for that for a tutor? For which skill?
For teaching.
No, for which skill did you apply for recitation, for hifz, for tajweed, for Arabic,
Tajweed.
for tajweed? Okay. And and for recitation? Yes. Didn't you apply for recitation? Yeah, it's all going your interview. Okay. So you just have to give your answer quickly. Didn't you apply for recitation?
No.
No. Why? If you just know that about tajweed, so you absolutely you just know the recitation, that how to read Quran. Don't you know how to read Quran, how to recite Quran?
Sir, I am not getting you what you want to say.
Why aren't you getting? Why aren't you getting what I say? I just said that if you know about tajweed, about the rules of tajweed, so you will
Assalamu
definitely
alaikum
know.
warahmatullah.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah. You will definitely know about the recitation if you know about tajweed, because tajweed
I can
and
recite.
recitation is just same thing, one thing.
So I
Yes,
saying, why didn't you apply for recitation? Why did you apply just for
yes.
tajweed?
I just said that
You
why
can
did you
also
apply
apply
only
for.
for tajweed? Yes, you could also apply for recitation. So why didn't you apply for recitation? Okay, so inshallah, this is going on your interview. So I'm just asking you some questions about tajweed. Okay, so are you ready for that? Can I ask some questions? Yes,
Okay,
Tayyiba.
sir.
Okay. So tell me, what is the special condition for Yalin?
Sir, I don't know rules.
What? Don't you know? You said that I just applied for Tajweed, so that's why I'm just asking you a question about Tajweed. Okay. Okay, so now I'm giving you another chance. So, okay, tell me Surah Al-Fatiha.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Okay, mashallah. I mean, very good. Okay, that's very good, mashallah, barakallah. So, after the class, you can contact me on WhatsApp. So then I will give you some instruction about it. So,
Okay.
for all students, for Aisha, for Fahmida, for Hassan, for Iqra, for all of you, this class is gonna talk about your interview. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
so I just want to ask some questions about the recitation from all of you. So yes, so now Aisha, you tell me Surah Al-Fatiha.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Okay, mashallah, very good, very good. Okay, so you can also contact me
Sir,
after
I'm
the class.
Hafze Quran.
What?
I'm Hafze Quran.
Okay, mashallah, very good. So you just want to say that you can ask me about your hifz from all of the Quran. So do you memorize the Quran?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Every
so
day I recite once
okay,
para. I
very
repeat
good.
my once para. Because, sir, it is very difficult to uh, memorizing the Quran.
Yes, yes,
Then once a time we leave it, then it will forget us. It will forget.
yes, yes. It will be forgotten if you just leave after memorizing. So
Yes, sir.
we have to be consistent on it, and we have to
Sir,
read
I
on daily
also
basis.
after Taraweeh in Ramadan.
Okay, so you lead Taraweeh also. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You can say from which year, from how many years you are leading.
How many years? I think so. 5, 6 years.
Okay, mashallah. So you can tell in the interview that Miss, I have been leading the Taraweeh in every year from 5 and 6 years in Ramadan.
6 years, sir.
Okay, so
Sir, I just remember the Holy Quran. In the age of 11, I just completed my hifz.
okay, very good, mashallah.
After
Yes.
after 3 class, I just started my hifz and then I complete at the age of 11.
That's very good, mashallah. Okay. So do you have any children?
No, sir, I'm not married. I'm single.
Oh, okay,
I'm
okay.
21 years old.
What?
21 years.
Okay, okay. And Amina, does Amina have children?
No, sir.
And she's also
Amna is
single.
22 years old. Huh. 22
Okay, okay,
years.
okay. Oh, I thought that your profile picture has some children, so just I thought that you have children. Okay.
No, no, sir.
Okay, so now tell me, Surah Al-Fatiha. You, yes, Iqra, you. I'm just talking to you. Can you hear me, Iqra? We have only
Yes,
five
sir.
minutes. We have to go somewhere. Yes, tell me Surah Al-Fatiha.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Okay, very good, very good. MashaAllah. So all of you can contact me after the class, inshallah. Then I will give you some instructions that how can you improve your recitation and your the style of reading. Okay, now tell me Surah Al-Fatiha, Aiza.
Yes, sir. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Okay, mashallah, very good. Barakallahu feek. Okay, and the last one is who will be asked? All of you have done. Okay. Okay, so inshallah that's all for today, and in the next class we will also try to speak something, and I will give you some sentences, and I'll tell you about that how can you speak in a proper way, and about your daily routine, which thing you can add in your daily routine. Okay.
I will try, inshallah.
Okay.
Yes, so you can also, if you are just willing to tell me about your, about your presentation, okay, about your daily routine or about your
Yes.
introduction. So you can also add your name and father name and your mother name and your qualification, okay,
Okay.
your school employment history if you just taught somewhere, and your residency, and then about your siblings. That I have many siblings and three brothers, and he's young and he's elder and he's not married. Anything, okay?
Okay.
And
Okay. Okay.
then you can also tell me about your entertainment. That
Okay.
which thing do you like and do you enjoy?
The hobbies.
And in this, yeah, you can also add many things, likeness, for example, the personality. Which personality, what type of personality do you like, and which color do you like, and which poet do you like, and which fruit do you like?
Food.
All things you can add.
Yes.
And which dish do you like, which vegetable do you like, which sport do you like, which TV channel do you like? Okay,
Okay.
so you can also
Okay.
write my words, that you can add many things in your likeness. The first
Okay.
thing is likeness, and after the likeness, you can add many things in likeness. Personality. The first thing is personality. That which type of personality do you like, and then what color do you like, and what vegetable do you like, what fruit do you like, which dish do you like, which sport do you like, which TV channel, which poet, which personality, okay, which actor do you like, and after that you can also tell me all things about dislikeness, okay, that I don't like this vegetable, I don't like that fruit, I don't like that dish, I don't like that singer, I don't like that personality, I don't like that sport, okay.
Okay.
So it's all about 3 and 4 pages. If you just want to read, if you just want to write something, so you can also write in your copy and then send me, okay? And then you can memorize easily. And then after that, what are your hobbies? Okay, what are your hobbies? Just I like to cook something, and I like to go
Watching
market,
movies.
and I like to read book, and I like to recite
I
Quran.
like to
Okay,
eating food.
all things you want, you can add. And then what is your goal, what is your aim, what is your purpose, what is your dream, what is your vision? So you can add many things, that my goal is to be a doctor, my goal is to be an engineer, my goal is to, my aim and my purpose is to lead something, is to uh, that be a teacher, okay.
Yes.
Okay, did you get
Yes,
something or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Got it, okay. So you can just
Assalamu alaikum.
include all things, inshallah. So it's all about 4 and 5 pages, okay, and then tomorrow, inshallah, I will ask about it. Okay, so that's all for today.
Inshallah.
Now, you may leave now, inshallah. I just have to go somewhere. Okay, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Okay, sir. Walaikum assalam.